So here's a glimpse at the plants that the Heart Village will be offering this weekend at the farmers market. We have pineapple, aloe vera, chaya, Mexican sunflower, South Sea salad, katuk, or pronounced katuk, moringa, nopales, or spineless cactus, and cranberry hibiscus. So if you're not familiar with any of these, then I encourage you to ask about them in the comments or look them up on the internet. They are all edible in one way or another. So look forward to seeing your comments or seeing you at the farmers market.